Hey everybody, it's Scott again from the DTFF, Volunteer Firefighter Podcast. So in our previous video, we talked about how to wrap the Cleveland roll. Now we're going to discuss how it deploys and why we like it so much. So what we have done, we've already wrapped it. We've taken the straps off. So now we're going to go to deploy it. So what you want to do is you're going to take the nozzle end out. We're going to go out a few feet just so it doesn't get tangled up. We're going to open that Cleveland roll right up, just like that. I'm going to go over to the nozzle. I'm going to call for water. Water! Water! Ask me to need some water off the 2.5. If you can actually see what'll happen here, it's gonna pop. And here it's gonna pop in there. A little leak in the hose. We're gonna push out. Now the beauty about the Cleveland roll is we can still spray. If you can notice, it's still wrapped really tight. We can spray water. We can move. Continue to spray water while it's still wrapped. So if you imagine that in a hallway, it'd be really beneficial because then we don't have to try to flake it all the way out. It also helps a lot in the forestry if you're in the bushes or anything like that, so you don't have to stretch it deep into the woods. It's a Cleveland roll.